Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Figma templates for storefront banners and thumbnails, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Figma and create a new file. Set the dimensions for your storefront banner. For most banners, a size of 1200 by 400 pixels works well. Select the frame tool from the toolbar on the left. Draw a rectangle that matches your specified dimensions. Name this frame banner template for easy identification later. Next, choose a background color that suits your brand's aesthetic. You can do this by selecting the frame and going to the Fill option in the Properties panel. Now, let's add some text to your banner. Select the text tool from the toolbar and click within the frame to type your message. Adjust the font style, size, and color to match your branding. Make sure your text is legible and stands out against the background. To create a cohesive look, consider adding your logo. Import your logo by dragging it into the Figma workspace. Resize and position the logo appropriately within the banner. Next, let's set up a template for thumbnails. Create a new frame and set the dimensions to 1280 by 720 pixels. Rename this frame Thumbnail Template for clarity. Just like with the banner, choose a background color that represents your brand. Add a headline or key message using the text tool. Keep the text concise and attention-grabbing. Leave space for additional graphics or images on your thumbnail. You can create areas for images by adding rectangles or other shapes. Remember to maintain a consistent style between your banner and thumbnail. Use the same fonts and colors to reinforce brand identity. Once you are satisfied with both designs, group the elements for easier adjustments later. Select all the elements of your banner and thumbnail, right-click, and choose Group. Finally, save your templates for future use. Go to File and select Save As. Name your file appropriately and store it in a designated folder for easy access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.